Calm down. This part I gotta go fast because the alcohol in the Got2b will undo, is going to undo the Ghost Bond glue. So I gotta be real quick. I gotta spray, then put my band on. Oh. And now it's time to style. So I just bought some bundles, some random bundles. I think I had some bundles here from a while ago, and I went and bought a frontal from, what's it called, from Amazon. Oh, that's my baby. I went and bought a frontal from Amazon just to practice on. It was $50, not too bad. It's obviously not the best quality, but so then I went to my homegirl at Royalty Glamour, and she made it into a wig, and she did such a good job. She fit 4 bundles in this wig. I didn't think that was possible. I mean, I knew it was possible. I didn't think it would look right, but I love how full it is. Like, yeah, it's thick, real thick. It's giving real hair. Okay, hopefully that looks okay. You know what, this wig needs to be plucked. I didn't want to pluck it, but it needs to be plucked because you can't even see. Okay. Oh. Okay. So the back of this comb is really what gets it straight. Like, you can't just run through it like a regular comb. You got to really hit it with the back of it. Look. I might just have to straighten it. We're gonna see. I don't think I have time to curl it. All right, y'all pray for me, because section it off like this. I'm just gonna cut upwards. Just to kind of layer it out. I probably cut too much. See? Dang. Dang. Now my baby's crying. Okay. If no one is around you, say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running game. All right, y'all remember that hole that was there? I really did that. I know. Look, I'm gonna put makeup on it and everything. Y'all can see everything, but like from back here, lace wear. Okay. Myself for somebody to come on here and remind me that I'm not that bitch. Not remind me, they try and convince me I'm not. Like, why you gotta do that, sis? We can all eat. We all gotta start somewhere, you know? All right. lazy with this. But what I do know is you need to have like a comb or a brush or something to go along with straightening it because that's really what gets it straight. It's really what does the trick. And I think I'm gonna like curl it backwards. You know? Yeah. Yeah. You know, so I can have a little. Yeah. Okay. Just leave it like this, honestly. I feel like that's cute. I'm gonna leave it like that. But I'm gonna put some makeup on the lace. I did a real basic look just because I'm running late. Maybe you guys can catch me at another sleigh. This is the side. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I did my thing with this look. I wish I could do more makeup, but it's fine. Graduation. Can y'all see my shoes? I got the old lady lemon pepper steppers. Hey y'all, this is the finished look.